Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned maybe this one can give us one more drop because we put in relative to this, because we have been looking for this correction. As we can see, it was what we were expected, the price drop and even broke this low. Now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. Okay, if we start with daily chart, as we can see, after the price broke the previous top, which is this one, we mentioned made there is a reversal because we give all the information even based on the indicators, and then right now we have this. We want to see whether this is a bigger correction for continuation or is a reversal. That means the overall this correction can tend to a more complex. Okay, now we want to see how we can look for trade. If we move to forward chart, all right, and even based on forward chart, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for this as a first, and this one is as a correction, because that's why we mentioned we need to get one more drop. This is what we were looking for, because when we want the price to break this low, then we look for this correction for reversal. Now the question is, first of all, we need to know how deep this one can go before we look for the reversal, and this is the only correction, or this one can tend to more complex correction before we get the reversal. Okay, as I say, if we get any reversal from here, we can look for buy, but right now we have nothing because we want to see how deep this one can go. In this case, we move to lower time frame, 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade it. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, the price is correcting here. Okay, and when it's still, we can expect that we have the small correction, one more drop, we get the drop, still we can expect this one can give us one more drop. How this it can go, we are not sure, but any reversal from now, we can look for buy. But for sell, based on what we have right now, if there is a repetition, any sell will be really short term sell. It depends on the traders. Okay, whether they want to look for sell or not, but mostly we are more interested if there is a reversal to look for buy. The only times we can look for sell if this one turns to a more complex correction that confirm the next move similar to what we have here. We had here. All right. By the way, the first things we want to see how deep this one can go, but any reversal we will be more interested to look for buy. And if we put this one in relative to each other, MACD doesn't show us anything. The another one, okay, we have a divergence, but we cannot rely on that. Okay, and in this case, even if you look at this move, maybe we can put this one in relative to this as 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's why we want to see what we will get here from here. By the way, we don't have any trade set up. Still, the price can drop some more, but any reversal, if we get a trade set up for buy, we will take it. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.